The following contest is a no-holds-barred match. Making his way to the ring from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 265 pounds, Luther Bishop.
This superstar has a lot of confidence, a lot of pride, but there's also a lot of respect for their opposition tonight.
Oh, I get it. Great mind games at work.
No, Corey, just respect.
Oh, so this superstar's just an idiot. Got it.
Go for it! That's right!
A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from Dayton, Ohio, weighing in at 379 pounds, Bulldozer.
I'm all for tough competition, but this one likes to take things too far. Their matches can be downright gruesome sometimes, the way they go after their opponent.
This industry isn't about being gentle, Saxton. You have to be a little mean sometimes to ensure the win. If anything, I think the intensity can be turned up in the ring.
Go get him!
He said he'll steal the show here tonight, and he looks more than ready to deliver on that promise.
The animosity is at an all-time high here as these two settle things in a no-holds-barred match.
No move is illegal. No object is off limits. This is going to be brutal, and I, for one, cannot wait. Ooh, what a headbutt. He's reminding his competition that they'll only ever be second best.
What's coming next? Taking their time. Punch to the gut.
The bear hug cinched in. Gotta find a way out and catch your breath.
Look at this, no quit whatsoever, raining down elbows and escaping the bear hug.
Hurricane. Oh, clubbing blow.
From the top. Obviously an Ironman match. Cover! Shoulder shoots up before two.
Not quite enough to put him away.
Step in the leg.
Oh, kick right to the back. He now just looks helpless to every attack.
Yeah, this flurry's proven to be quite the challenge for him here.
Compromised position here. Shot in your face after that one.
That's a free fall.
He is a sight to behold. Take a picture while you can, everyone.
Big time powerbomb.
Little insult to your injury.
He's lost some of his wind now. He's heading up top.
Thinking big.
Diving hammer strike. In the corner he goes. A perfectly placed target. He takes control. Wow, clubbing blow to the back. Taking it outside the ring now. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries. Bad predicament right here. Oh, my goodness.
Face first into the barricade. There's nothing off limits.
Nope. Oh, look at this. Headbutt!
He's just taking a moment to simply remind everyone why he's simply the best.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent and tossing them aside. And gets tossed back into the mat. He's taking this to the floor now. Lariat. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Plucked out of the air. Scoop slam.
Big forearm.
He was elusive there.
Set up in the corner of the ring.
Back elbow. What a corkscrew shoulder tackle.
This is not going to end well.
Not at all. That could be it.
Is it enough? The cover! He kicked out at 2.
Man, oh man, what resilience.
He's got to be running on instinct alone.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw.
Good night. Oh. Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now. Going way up high.
Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at him. From way up.
Counters there.
Up into a fireman's carry position.
Fireman's carry to rolling hills. This could do it. No, he gets the shoulder up.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. No one can.
All the way up, and the crash landing powerbomb.
Into the ring again. Getting him into the corner.
Up on the shoulders. Only one way to go from here. Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over.
Is it enough? The cover!
What in the world? Not about to go quietly into the night.
That took some serious endurance. I'll give you that.
That was a golden opportunity to end things. Now he's got to hope the opportunity presents itself again.
We continue to see incredible perseverance from these competitors.
The war continues to rage on with no superstar willing to give an inch.
Okay, he's re-entering the ring. Reversal! Can he take advantage?
And we see the attention being put on the torso area.
Wow, what a strike to the back. He's running on empty right now.
Holding on by a thread, maybe even less at this point.
Uh-oh. Using the momentum to sweep the leg. Able to elude it.
DDT plants them. Looking for the victory. 2. Absolute power.
Holy moly, how?
This one is headed outside, guys.
Hockey, sports entertainment. Clearly, I'm not the only one who gets the two confused all the time.
Efficient offense, leaving no breathing room.
He is just dominant right now.
question. How much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through the agony?
It's obviously worth everything. Obviously worth every drop of sweat on the ground.
Big forearm.
Mat slam with some attitude.
Military press.
And he gets set back into the ring.
The steps connect. He just watching.
Position now.
Little insult to your injury.
Placed into the corner. Electric chair. What are they going to do here?
Each one keeps getting more devastating.
Makes the cover. Shoulder up before 3.
Unbelievable presence of mind.
I thought he was unconscious.
How draining was that? Can it be done again? Can that maneuver be summoned at least one more time?
From the top.
Through the air. It connects.
That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder.
What a smash.
That is just insulting.
The WWE Universe has come alive in this one.
They are up and they are vocal. A lot of energy in the room.
Re-entering the ring now. Heads out and he has all the time he wants.
Holy meet the barricade.
Turned that one around. Oh, look at this!
The goal slam.
Appreciate him while you can, folks. He's not getting paid by the hour.
He climbs into the ring.
There's one. Y dos. Third one makes it.
Shoulders down. He gets the late score. That's what they call the hot shot. And returning to the ring. Close fist connects. And there he's dealing out even more damage.
He knows exactly what's at stake at this moment.
DDT.
He's got something in mind.
Catches a punch.
And he's taking this to the outside now.
to simply take it all in. Turns things around with it.
Here it comes. Stay away from the worm. The tequila sunrise.
I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
You still do a lot of damage, though.
How in the world do you get out of this? I guess just like that.
Here it comes. Stay away from the worm. Wow, the power that takes is insane. He is in deep trouble. Could be down a fall if he can't hang on. I don't see him getting out.
Well, that was a great counter to the single leg crab. Goes under the ropes to get back inside. Clothesline knockdown. Here we go. Comeback time.
This superstar's on fire. Pace begins to quicken.
Taking this to the floor. And this match will head back to the ring.
Time runs out, and there's the Ironman match winner.
Here is your winner, Luther Bishop.
That was one of the most physical matches we've ever seen. An Ironman match takes a huge toll, but you're seeing the result of pushing through that to win.
A win like that proved he is not messing around.
That match was all business from him, Corey, and that worked.